Hi keyboard fans, I'm the PC Expert Amateur, and we're going to take a look at the ReDragon membrane wired keyboard BK-7366. There's not a lot to tell you about this. This is a $10 keyboard, and it's clear that they're trying to get into the bottom end of the market where there are lots of keyboards being sold to businesses and schools and lots of regular people who don't need special keyboards for gaming and don't need lots of flashy lighting and stuff like that. And that's what you get with this. It has rubber on the back of the legs here. There's only one height. And it has 2 rubber feet over here. It has some redundant keys up here, mostly redundant anyways, that also exist down here on the function key row or the F key row. Let's see. And aside from that, you see that there's no ReDragon logo except for the R, because that doesn't really fit in with an office environment or anything like that. People don't want to see that for that kind of usage. So it's very, very standard. There's a little bit of a bulge here, but it's just a regular keyboard. I'm going to just show you what little there was in the manual.
I need to ask for your help. Things have been challenging. Whose life hasn't been challenging lately? So if you can please help me out by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and turning on notifications, that would be really, really super. Also, if you'd like to help me financially and you can't afford to, you can do a super thanks on my Glenn's Fast Reviews channel, or you can become a member there. Or if you prefer, you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there instead. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to Bleeping Computer for their support of my channel. If you need resources for computers, for getting rid of malware and learning about cybersecurity and stuff, Bleeping Computer, BLEEPING computer.com is a great resource. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.
From my experience with this keyboard, it's very comfortable and easy to use. I didn't have any problems with it. It's not particularly noisy. I mean, kind of noisy, but not very. For a low-end membrane keyboard, that's not surprising. The only special thing here is that this is a membrane keyboard, so if you get it wet, you just have to dry it off, set it aside, let it dry out, and it'll be ready to go once it's dried out. So look at the manual, and that's it. If you have any questions, put them down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.